This is a 750 kg device, featuring lifting, crushing, conveying, and fermentation. Place the equipment properly after it arrives at the site. First, lower the 2 full cups onto the lifting system. The electrical control cabinet needs to be connected to the power supply, connected here. This model is for water heating and requires the connection of water pipes to the equipment. This is the water connection pipe of the equipment. This is the exhaust pipe for waste gas. The pipe needs to be connected to the outside to allow the waste gas to be discharged. Add hydraulic oil to the hydraulic station. This is the display line for the hydraulic oil level. It is sufficient when it reaches 80%. The chain of this equipment needs to be lubricated with oil. After being powered on, the startup status of the equipment is as shown in the figure. First, to open the preprocessing system, we need to click this button. When the feeding door is opened, the crushing and conveying screws start automatically. When the feeding door is open to the highest point, we hang the trash can above the lift. Click the lift button to pour in the waste from the trash can. When the lift reaches the highest point, it will stay for 9 seconds and then fall automatically without any additional operation. The lift will automatically drop within 9 seconds without any additional operation. The operation of closing the hatch cover can only be carried out when the lift reaches the bottom. If you need to feed again, just repeat the operation. After the feeding is completed, press the pretreatment button and close the feeding door. The feeding door can only be closed when all the materials on the crusher have entered the fermentation chamber. After the hatch cover is closed, the crusher will stop operating. After the feeding of materials is completed, click the first fermentation button to start fermentation, and the system will run automatically. After the equipment has been running for about 3 months, the lubricating oil of the reducer needs to be replaced. A total of 3 reducers need to have their lubricating oil replaced. Conveying screw reducers, crusher reducers, and steering motor reducers. The blue valve at the bottom of the water tank is the drain valve of the water tank. After the equipment has been running for a period of time, the water in the water tank needs to be replaced. Open the drain valve to empty the water and let the equipment automatically refill with water again.
We need to add water to the spray tower before operation. Open the water valve when adding water. Add water to the spray tower. When the water level reaches this point, close the spray tower inlet valve.